Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I'm just going through some clips here, and Ryan's out in the shop working on his fancy schmancy hydraulic system. Actually, what I'm doing is I'm going through some video clips from the VDub factory from a couple weeks ago when we were out there. And they've got another swap meet coming up, so I thought you guys might like to see what what it's all about. And I'll leave a link in the description to their Facebook page so you can find out the dates and where it's at. Enjoy. Baby moons.